will help to your business. So basically, startup industries, SMEs, and mid enterprise industry always think about the cost. So the cost saving is a main factor whenever you are choosing any software. So when if you're buying an open source software, it will have a zero license fee. You don't need to pay the license fee, uh, and you can only pay for the implementation, customization, or support if needed. So it's a cost saving aspect if you're buying open source software. Another aspect would be flexible and control. You can modify the software to fit your exact business process. No dependency on a single vendor. So if you have a, as I said, source code is available, freely available, you can modify it. So if you have your development team with you, you can modify the software as per your business requirement. Security and transparency. Just before going to the third point, there is a poll over here. You need to drop your answers on the poll. What's stopping you from implementing software? So just request you to quickly answer the poll. Thank you, everyone. Just we'll wait for one more minute. All right. Thank you for dropping your answers. So the third point is security and transparency. Since the code is open, vulnerabilities can be detected and fixed quickly, as many developers are working on the open source software and they can, detect vulnerabilities, and, they can fix it quickly. You know exactly how your data is handled. So security wise and transparency wise, it is always safe to use the open source software. Innovation and community support. As I said, community, there is a huge community base for the open source software. Thousands of developers are contributing for improvements. So they are continuously working on the improvements and they deploy the improvements in the software. So you get the faster updates and new features. If I talk about the scalability, open source software can easily grow with your business from small startup to large enterprise. As I said, if you are a startup industry or a mid enterprise level industry or company, we can always choose for the open source software that will, help you to cost saving. It is flexible, it is secure, it is innovation and community support you'll get, and highly scalable. So you can start your small startup business, you can grow it to the large enterprise. Let's move to the next slide then.